Now, how can you access your 1688 account? Pay attention, guys. We are done with everything we need to do on Taba app. So 1688 is actually easier to navigate because almost everything on 1688 now is currently in English. That is 1688 application. So what you're basically going to do is to come over to your 1688 application, open your 1688 app, and this is exactly where you are going to land after you download your 1688. After downloading, if you see this particular page like this, you're just going to click this button here, and then the next thing you should land here. If you didn't land on the page that look like this, then you should land on the page that look something similar to this particular buttons down here. Over here, you're going to click on this password here. This agreement is going to pop up like this, or you will check this agreement here manually, so anyone at all. Or if you come up like this, then you still click agree. It's still the same thing. Now what you are basically going to do here, pay close attention. You are going to enter your Taba account here, the one you have gotten from Taba app, which I told you to save it down, and then enter that new password that you save here. So let's go, guys. In terms of password, do not paste your password. It won't go through. Do not paste your password. Type it manually, and be sure you type the same thing you set from Taba app. I just finished typing, and then I'm going to click on login, and boom, here we go. There is nothing like account restriction, there is nothing like warning, there is nothing because we have followed the legal procedures of signing up on Taba and Alipay applications. If you skip these videos and you start doing your own thing, you are basically going to come out with a frozen account if you are not lucky, and then you still need to come back and follow this procedure afresh. So guys, the next thing we are going to do now is basically to check whether the Taba application, the Taba account that we have gotten, which we now access the 1688, is currently linked to the Alipay. Remember, I told you to sign up with the same email so that you'll be able to, the accounts will be linked. But we will now want to go ahead and confirm whether these accounts are linked together. So how do you do that? From the 1688 homepage, click on this min. If you can't see the min button here, it means you are currently not on the home page of the 1688. Just close the app and open afresh. Then tap on the min here, and then if your own is in Chinese, just look at this contact icon or head icon and click. Then on the right top corner, look at this settings icon here and click on it. If you click and it didn't give you a page that look like this, step back and click again, and then you're going to land on this page. So click on payment settings, and then other payment settings, click on the first option you see here. Now you may, in your own app, I don't know, based on some device differences or display differences, you may see something different, but let's translate so that you can see what you are supposed to have there. So I'm uploading on my Google Translate app, and then what we basically have there is bind Alipay. So what you're going to click is the word bind Alipay. On clicking on bind Alipay, this is where you are going to land. So I'm going to take a screenshot again and upload to the word Taba app. I just want you guys to understand everything we are doing here. So see, change Alipay account. This is what we have here. Alipay account has been banned. It means there is an existing Alipay, but we don't know it because it doesn't display. So what we're basically going to do now is to tap on this Alipay button, the red button there. So it will now redirect us to our own Alipay. So this is the new Alipay that we set up that time. So just be patient, let it access your Alipay. So sometimes it may take longer than this. Just be patient and wait. So I'm going to click on agree, and then they say what, authorization successful. Just relax and see what is going to happen. So they are now sending a password, a code to that my phone number, so that they can go ahead and link to this Alipay. You can see the confirmation now. This is the phone number that we added on Taba app. So we are currently having it here on 1688 to tell you that all these things are being linked together. So we're going to go ahead and click this text here to save time. Just click on it. That's when you're going to request for code. Go to your phone number and check the messages you have there, or rather wait for a new message that is going to come from Chinese. I'm still waiting for my own. It haven't come up till now. Guys, I've almost exhausted the timing and then there is no password sent to my phone. Now this happens when the network is bad, so I will just wait patiently. When the time elapses, I'm going to click on it again. Now I've exhausted it the second time, so I'm going to click on the third time. Basically, you're not meant to click more than 3 times, okay? So if you click the third time, once it didn't go through, leave it. Just close the app, go and do any other thing you want to do, and then you come back after 3 hours. The minimum you can stay is 3 hours or more. Then you come back and try it again. So personally, I'm just hoping that they bring it this last time. If they didn't bring, I will just have to close the app and go ahead with my normal business. Then I will come back later on when I know that the network is good. And mostly in Nigeria, network sometimes around that midnight is always better, because people will sleep and then just few persons will be up, and the pressure on the signals will reduce. Okay, so still there is no message at the moment. So I'm going to pause this video. So whenever this works, I will record it and then I will add it to the video back. So funny enough, I didn't get the code till I have to come and retry later on after a couple of hours, and this is what we have. So I'm click on get verification code. I will wait for the code, and yes, it has come already. So I'll enter my code 703642, and then I'll click the red button, and then I will just hold on for it to process, and boom, that's it. That telling me that I have linked the account successfully. So it's as simple as that. So you can see that your Alipay has been demanding for phone number, if you can notice this. So what we're basically doing now is to go ahead and add a phone number to Alipay. Remember, you added the phone number to to your Taba, but not on Alipay. So we come here, click on account down the screen here, okay, and then click on add now. You see, you can just tap on add now from here, or you just click on later and then you go and do that later. So anyway, if you see this notification, just tap on it and then click to add phone number, or you can navigate to account and security, click on phone number and then add phone number. So here you're going to select your country code. So whatever country you are from, you just select the country code there. You type in the country and select the country code, then enter your phone number. Always remember to remove the first 0 on your phone number. So when you enter the phone number, click get verification code and then allow it to load up, and then just calm down, let the security come out, the security puzzle. So you just select according to the instruction. It must not be the same with my own. Wait for the verification code to be sent. If you didn't get your code for the first time, wait for the time count to elapse and then click on resend code. And then my own is here when I requested for the second time, so I will just type in here, and boom, that's it. my phone number has been added to Alipay. So these things are very simple. If you pay close attention, you are going to understand everything, and that is all. Alipay won't disturb you again to add phone number or whatsoever. Thank you guys for watching till the end. If you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Kindly smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notification. We keep on dropping videos like this, and who knows, we may just decide to come out with digital marketing and most other amazing skills on this channel. Cheers guys.